How to control your anger and stay calm. Anger is an intense and temporary emotional state caused by feelings of aggression or annoyance, often leading to strong reactions and aggressive behavior. It is a natural emotion, characterized by dissatisfaction, frustration, or irritation, and is one of our core emotions like fear, sadness, or joy, usually arising in response to a perceived threat, injustice, or violation of our expectations and values. To control your anger, identify situations, people, or events that provoke anger. Keep an emotion journal to spot patterns and anticipate triggers. Deep and slow breathing can help calm the body and mind. Try taking deep breaths through your nose, holding your breath for a few seconds, then slowly exhaling through your mouth. Meditation and mindfulness help stay grounded in the present and observe emotions without judgment. Dedicate a few minutes each day to meditation to develop a calmer and more balanced attitude towards stressful situations. When angry, it's easy to react impulsively. Take a few seconds to think before speaking or acting. Ask yourself if your reaction is proportionate to the situation and what the consequences of your actions might be. Identify and minimize sources of stress in your life. If certain situations or people regularly provoke anger, try to avoid or manage them differently. Setting clear boundaries can also help reduce stress. If managing anger is a constant challenge, don't hesitate to seek professional help. A therapist or counselor can provide strategies and additional support to better manage emotions.